Hey everyone, thanks for tuning into Artland. In today's video, I want to show you guys how to draw one of GAMERA'S biggest foes, and that is GYAOS. So I hope you guys follow along and enjoy this video today. Hey everyone, how's it going? Now to start off with GYAOS, we want to begin with the eye. Now I'm going to place the eye right about here towards the middle so I can make some room for his wings. Now to do this, I'm going to start here. I'm going to make a little line that's going to run along here, kind of like the top of where his eye would be. Now starting here, we're going to make a line that goes down and it's going to come up like this. Now I'm going to take this line and bring it down a little farther. Then I'm going to bring this line up and over. Next, I'm going to bring this line up to a point and then it's going to come down. Then I want to start one right here. It's going to go out. It's going to come to a point and then back down. We can leave some space right there. Next, starting here, we're going to draw a line that goes down, and I'm going to curve it down. It's going to go up and then down like this. I will make a line that goes down, and then I'll bring it back up. For the tongue, we're going to make a line that's going to go down, and it's going to come up. It's going to come to a point, and then we'll bring it back here. And I'm going to add some sharp teeth along the top and then along the sides here. Make a little line to connect it. Right here we'll make a line that comes out. I'm going to bring it up and it's going to curve to here. Next I'm going to draw a little line that curves up here. Starting right here, I'm going to draw a line that's going to curve down. And I will also do the same thing right here for the neck. I'm going to come down here and I'm going to angle this up just a bit. Now starting here, I'm going to make some lines that are going to go down, come kind of to a point, and they're going to come back up. And I'm going to keep doing this just a few times. And we'll go down to about here. Now when I get to here, I'm going to draw a line that's going to go down, and then it's going to angle down like this. Make a line that goes down a little farther. Then I want to draw a line that goes down, it's going to curve, and then it'll slowly come back. I'll start here, I'm going to go down, I'll curve to here, then I'll slowly come back and we will go up. I'll add one more curve right here for our third toe. When I get to here, I'm going to angle this up and then bring it right to here. Starting right here, I'm going to draw a line down for where the tail would be. And right here, we're going to make a line that just goes down. I'm going to curve it down to about here. Then we'll make a line that curves down and it comes up. Another one that goes down, it's going to curve here. And another one that curves down and it's going to come up to here. Right here we'll make a line that goes up and it's going to curve in. Make another one that kind of curves around here. Now up here we want to begin with the wings. Starting here, I'm going to just draw a line that's going to come down. It's going to go to about here. Next, I will bring this up. And I'm just going to curl this around. Then I'm going to draw a line down. We'll make a line that comes out. It's going to come back. Go down a little more. Make another one that goes out to a point and comes back. One right here that does the same thing. And I'm going to add a few more of these right along here. One here and then one more here. And we'll run right back to the body. Starting here, we're going to add a sharp claw on the end of the wing. Then you want to add some curved lines to connect this part of the wing. Now, starting here, I'm going to draw a line that's going to go down. I'm going to start here and I'm going to bring this line up and then it'll curl around. We'll come down and I'm going to draw a line that goes out and it's going to come down here. Another one that goes out and comes down. One more right here. Another one here. Put one right there. And we'll draw a line that curls up here. I'm going to add another little long kind of hook shape. And then we'll add some curved lines that just connect each one of these. And one that goes right up to here. Now, starting here, we'll curl this around. I'm going to draw a line that goes up and it's going to come down. Then I'll make another one that's a little bit taller and it will come down here and then curl up. I'm going to add a little curved line in there for the tail. Now here's our basic drawing of GYAOS. Now we need to come in here and add all of the different details. Let's start with the face. First thing we want to do is add a pupil. So I'm just going to draw a little line that goes down and I'm going to color in most of it. I'm also going to add a few kind of curved lines right underneath there. I'm going to add kind of like a broken line right around the top and bottom of the mouth with a few little lines coming up here. Maybe a couple little extra lines around the head. Add a little broken line right here, a couple little lines running up the head. I'm also going to add some quick curved lines here for some wrinkles and a few more along here. I'm also going to add a few spikes going along the back of here. And we'll make them pop out down here. We'll add a couple little extra broken lines right along the chest here, a couple little lines here, and then I'm going to continue some of these lines going right down the tail, a couple little broken lines along here. Add some curved lines here. Then on the wings we'll add just a few little quick broken lines in some spots. Maybe a few lines going up and down the wing here. We kind of repeat the same thing along here, just some quick little lines. And then some extra little details here. I'm going to add some little curved lines for like the kneecap and then a couple little quick lines here. We'll put some curved lines on the toes. Do another one here. Some quick little lines around here, some little V shapes going down, and then some more curved lines for the toes. We'll add some more little lines kind of around here for the legs, just to give them a little more detail and dimension. And maybe a couple little extra lines. We'll add a few lines on the tail, just a couple little detail lines here. And there you go, there is your drawing of GYAOS. I'm going to fast forward and start coloring this. Thanks for watching. Hope you guys enjoyed.